Hello guys, welcome to Summer to Part. This is Summer. Today I'm going to introduce our new carbon fiber kits for G-Class. As you guys know, G-Class and Defender is our main vehicles, and today's videos I'm going to a quick video introduction for you guys of the Rocket 900 carbon fiber kit. This carbon fiber kit including the front lip and the front grille, rear diffuser, exhaust piper, and the rear spoil, also with the carbon fiber wheel edges. So today's videos, I will show you the details of the quality of our carbon fiber ones, and also the installation guide for you guys for which car model is available for installation the carbon fiber body kits. This is the wheel edge for the fender. This is a dry carbon fiber material. You can find the backside look. The quality is very good. How to compare the wet carbon fiber and the dry carbon fiber? We can compare the sounds when we knock the carbon fiber material. The sounds is very clear and clear. That's the dry carbon fiber, and the wet carbon fiber we test before, it sounds is very dark. And on the back side we can find we have already made the 3M stickers. You can just remove the tapes and install on the wheel edges. That make the car looks more wider. And on the front bumper we can find the rear front lip. The front lip is a little bit longer, and the back side we can find it's totally full carbon fiber material, and the color is red on the both sides. It makes the car looks much wider and gentleman. For the front grille we can find actually this is a frame for the front grille because it's a little bit different for the GT design 2019 cars, and this is much wider and big, so we do some adjust, and the date is a little bit different, so you need to use our front grille to replace the original ones. On the other hand, we can find there comes our frame, carbon fiber frame for the front grille. This is the back side. The quality is very good, and I can promise of the after sales service. And for the carbon fiber kit for Rocket 900, we have only 8 sets for each week. It's very hard to make it, so the rear makes the price a little bit higher, but it worth it. And we can find for the front grille, it's not gloss black, it's Santorini black. There comes something shiny and bright on the paintings. I want to introduce the exhaust pipe because it's very special design. We can find the steel exhaust pipe inside, and the covers dry carbon fiber, and we can find it's very heavy, and because there's very good quality. And we will find there comes wires. The wires is connection with the power, electronic power, and when we start an engine and go driving on the road, we can find there comes the red LED inside of the exhaust pipe, makes the exhaust pipe looks very beast and powerful. So this exhaust pipe is very good qualities. I'm very suggest to you guys to try these ones. And on the other hand, we can find the rear diffuser and the rear spoil. That's also dry carbon fiber material, and you can check the quality everywhere. You will not disappointed about my Rocket 900 qualities. Most customers ask me if these body kits, dry carbon fiber Rocket 900 kits, if available for the car original Bravos body kits. It can be fit, but you need to do some fix like the wheel edges, like the front lip and the rear diffuser. So this is available for the car. Use our aftermarket Bravos body kits, and you can directly install this on the front bumper, rear bumper, and change the rear front grille. So if you have any other questions about this Rocket 900 carbon fiber kits, please don't be hesitant to contact our sales department for more information. On the other hand, the GLE Cooper dry carbon fiber Rocket 900 design is on process. So if you have interest, please keep looking our videos for like some auto parts. So thank you very much for your watching today, and don't be forget to subscribe at our YouTube channel. See you next video. Bye bye.